Hello, today I'm just going to show you how to fix the error unable to locate package winehq-stable 2025. When running the command to install wine, you may get an error unable to locate the package winehq-stable. This is a common mistake caused by an incorrect package name mentioned on some wiki pages. The incorrect package is winehq-stable. The correct package should be winestable. Use the following command to install wine. Press Y when prompted, then press Enter to confirm. The installation will now proceed and complete successfully. That's it. You've successfully installed the stable version of Wine on your Ubuntu system. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.